Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of general science, topic feathers of birds, which is covered in chapter 5, birds and their feathers and beaks of your textbook titled New Trends in Science, Evergreen, and is being submitted to you on 2nd of August 2021. Dear students, after learning about the claws and the nests of birds through the previous chapter, we will learn now about the feathers of birds. As we all know, birds are beautiful creatures with wings and feathers to fly. Now, students, just think, what helps a bird to fly? Birds can fly with the help of strong muscles to move their wings. They have got light feathers. Their bones are very light and they have streamlined body. Streamlined means boat-shaped body, and then they have a tail which helps them to change the directions while flying. Now, one thing to discuss, can all birds fly? As we discussed earlier also, some birds like kiwi, ostrich, penguin cannot fly because they are too heavy to fly. Now, how does a bird fly? A bird moves its wings to fly and lift itself up in the air. The upward and backward. The upward and backward movement of bird's wings is known as upstroke. This movement is upward and backward. The upward and the backward movement is known as upstroke. And then there is one more movement which is known as downstroke. Downstroke is the downward and forward flapping of birds' wings. The downstroke is the downward and forward flapping. This is known as downstroke. And when the bird has to land, it spreads its wings and glides down without flapping its wings too much. So this was regarding the two movement of birds which make them fly, that is upstroke and the downstroke. Let us now discuss the differences between wings and feathers. You have heard about the terms wings and feathers. Now let us study how these two terms are different. Children, wings are the large structures and feathers are small hair-like structures. Wings are attached to the bird's body with the help of strong muscles, and feathers cover the body of the bird completely. Wings help the bird to fly with the help of feathers. Feathers help birds to fly, keep their body warm and give it a shape. Wings are found in many other animals such as insects in addition to birds, but feathers are only present in birds. So children, let us recapitulate the part of the topic done till now. So here I am giving you some simple questions. Please write their answers in your notebook. Question number 1. Give any two features of birds which make them fly. Name two flightless birds, that is the birds which cannot fly. What is upstroke and what is downstroke? You may pause the lesson here for 5 minutes. The break time is over now. So let us first check our answers. Answer number 1 is, the two features are, number 1, it may be streamlined body and hollow bones. Number 2, kiwi and penguin. Answer number 3, the upward and backward movement of wings is upstroke. And answer number 4, the downward and forward flapping of wings is known as downstroke. So let us now study about the feathers of birds. Students, feathers are exclusive features of birds. This feature makes them different from all other living beings. A bird's body, the wings and the tail, they are all covered with feathers. Feathers of birds are of three types. Number one, body feathers. Body feathers cover the body of the bird and give it a shape. These are small and of different colors. And then the down feathers. Down feathers are very fluffy and soft, and these are the feathers which keep the body of the bird warm. And the third category, the flight feathers. These feathers are long and flat, and they are found on the wings and the tail. These are strong feathers and help the birds to fly. Now we will learn about the aquatic birds. As you know, the word aqua means water, and aquatic birds means the birds which swim in water. So birds which can swim in water are known as the aquatic birds. And the examples of the aquatic birds are like duck, crane, swan. And what are their special features? These aquatic birds, they have got oil glands which keep their feathers waterproof. And then aquatic birds have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Now, children, one more thing to discuss: how birds help in dispersal of seeds. Students, the dispersal word means spread. So, seed dispersal means movement or spread of seeds away from the parent plant. You might have observed when birds such as parrot, they eat the fruits, they scatter the seeds, and these seeds grow into new plants. In this way, birds help in dispersal of seeds. So here I am concluding this interactive session, and your home assignment is do worksheet 1 given on page number 50 in your book only, and collect and paste any 5 feathers in your notebook. Thank you, students.